got the grill burning. Well, actually, I put some oil in there, trying to season. And then I got the walks. Well, the wok, the one wok. And then I got my other pan. I'm trying.
Athens has left on an indelible mark in this match. Just with this shot. That's even more old school than we've been seeing. I think he's more comfortable with that return than we saw against guys like Roddick in the past. Admittedly, Stokowski's coming in more. Roddick was
slap your mama.
In his serve. I think that's the right. Oh, he missed that. I thought he had it. He did have it.
I think Federer has played enough tennis that if there's ever going to be a time where he'll look a little...
Looks like the damage is done. Oh, yeah. Oh. Almost. That's going in my belly.
The noggin.